In the previous tutorial, we showed how to enter a function into the math editor. In this tutorial, we're going to show how to take that function and build a graph with it. First, we need to hover over our Show Graph window on our toolbar and click on it. This brings up our graph setup dialog. We enter our graph name first. We can use the default, but in this case we are going to enter 3D graph and press add. We then have to determine if we're going to graph data points or graph functions. In this case we're going to graph functions, so we click on it. We then have to choose our function to be graphed. In this case there is only one function in our defined function list, so we select it, press add, then press next. In this window we have our variables. In this we can define our upper and lower limits on which to graph. In this case we're going to go -30 and +30 for both our axes, and we're going to do it over 30 points. When we are finished, we click next. This is a 3D graph. We know that because of the function, and we're going to have all of these checked: mesh, contour, shade, and zones. Press next. Our header, footer, and axes have all been predefined as default, but we can go ahead and change these if we want. So I'm going to add tutorial 2 3D graph to our header. Press next. This is where we can define our colors. If we don't like the colors that are defined on the page, we can click on that color and change it to another one if we wish. Press OK. When we are sure that we have what we want, we press finish. Our graph will be built. This takes a few moments. When our graph comes up, we usually will want to maximize the window so it becomes more viewable. So that is how you go ahead and graph a function within Math Mechanixs. I hope this has been helpful. If you wish to view additional tutorials, please click on our Tutorials toolbar button and visit our website at www.mathmechanics.com/downloads. Thank you.